Hi everyone, welcome back. Today another DIY upgrade to our shower area. Hopefully this will be the last one before we sell our house. Before that, a huge shout out to USA Tamil in the channel. Please visit her channel. You will fall in love with this channel. Now coming back to our shower area, this is how it looked before. We had to do an upgrade to our shower area before we can sell this house, so it looks all beautiful. We removed the shower area, gave it a thorough cleaning, and this is how our shower area looks like after we removed it. It needs more cleaning and regrouting and recaulking. But for now, this is how we are starting it with. First thing you will be installing here is the L-shaped clamp to hold the stationary glass panel. Please follow the sequence of the steps. It will make your life easy. We struggled a lot because the manual was not clear. After that, you will be installing the channel that will hold the stationary glass panel. And this stationary glass panel will be pretty heavy, so make sure you take the help of another person, mostly the adult of the family. My husband and I both did it together. And this is how the glass panel will look like. Make sure you secure it really well. They have given the glue, but make sure you put in the screw very securely before you move on to the next part. After now this glass panel is installed, we'll move on to the next part. There is another part that you will see that will go on the top of it, right there in the hole. That part will actually hold another part of the glass. So this is what my husband is showing over here. This part holds the other they call it another slider or the return. I think it is called as a return. So once you screw this, here goes in the steel rod that will hold another glass panel. Make sure that this is screwed in correctly because this holds a lot of weight. My husband is securing it over here. Yes, it is now done. Now we will be bringing the steel rod that will go on top of it. The steel rod will hold the glass panel. Now you see that we are doing some trial and error over here to see if it fits perfectly. Everything should fit perfectly. Make sure your measurements are accurate before you order this, or else they will not take back any returns and all your money is gone down the drain. And for the steel rod, this is the most complicated one to install, and these are the parts in the steel rod. The glass panel actually hangs from the steel rod, and please see how the parts are inserted inside, and please follow the instructions correctly as per the video. If not, if you go wrong in one screw or one part, then you have to redo it again. We did it over and over again to figure it out because the instruction manual was not clear at all. Alright, finally we did hang the glass and the outcome is really beautiful. It's very modern and really appealing, and so we are really happy. You will see our shower head also changed over here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Bye for now.